Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video and I'm feeling much better than last day. I'm really little bit of okay right now. So I'm doing this video and I'm having the full freedom and confidence to make this video today. So today I gotta share something about fuel again. Yes, about fuel again. So the people who actually uses fueler actually they know that whenever you create something or post some project in fueler or like upload something in your portfolio in our community, that fueler members team members from fueler always try to find out like whoever is having a little bit of uh maybe a low quality, okay, maybe not that much great of a thumbnail, we give them a great thumbnail, okay, like we make a thumbnail for them and give it to them. And like many one from our team does that for like different people, okay, so we used to provide that. And someone not someone, just many of us wonder how fueler make their brand elements. Like if you have gone through the fueler website or their social medias, you know how the brand elements are sprayed everywhere, how soothing it is, how energetic and good looking, and how what vibrant it is, okay. And we usually love it. Like I have seen many people praising about it. It's not just me. I am not telling this because I am in the team, but in general we have seen people talking about this a lot, okay. So today Pula have introduced all of their not all of them, like most of their elements, like Twitter header, project thumbnails, celebration posts, book cover templates, all of them, and posted them in community resources of Figma. Okay, so today we will have a look on that and see what we are getting. So let's just get started with it and see and discover what we are getting. Okay, so let's just get started. So I am here now in the Figma community, and this is Fueler's official profile. You can obviously follow Fueler's profile to get many more resources in future, and obviously appreciate our work. That will make us believe in ourselves as well. Like if you guys appreciate our effort as well. So right now we have five things. One is Twitter header, project thumbnail, celebration post, book cover templates, and blog thumbnails, okay. Later on we will keep on adding many other templates as well, we will there is a template on the way that is for profile pictures that will be uploaded soon, no problem at all. So let's look at every one of them and see what we have. So in yeah, in our header design, okay, this is Twitter headers. So what are Twitter headers? Basically the cover picture of the Twitter that you are getting, and it is in perfect size, okay. So you don't have to worry about how it will look in your Twitter profile. You don't have to worry about that because it will look perfect because it's made in that side, and we have make sure that everything is right. And like obviously many of us are using it, so obviously that is uh, that will be perfect. And here you can see some seriously great designs over here. Wait, it will take a little time as it's loading in Figma. Yeah, so as you can see, seriously great, isn't it? And They had made it for Savio. So here is Savio's Twitter header. Obviously, you can get it and edit it, give it your name, start using it. That's it. That's the row. That's the way to get it done. And in project thumbnails, we have tons of examples because, as I have said, the team has been making project thumbnails for literally many of the creators who engage in our platform, for whom we have find maybe their thumbnails are lacking a little bit. We make a thumbnail for them specifically and give it to them. So you can find a lot of thumbnail over here. And on that point, something is coming soon to make these thumbnails as well. We will talk about it later on, but let's now see it, though it's taking a little bit of time to load. But you get the point, right? You are getting a lots of thumbnail over here. Now moving forward to celebration post. Okay, let's move forward to those as well. Okay, book cover templates. So those are the book cover templates that you see Twitter, not Twitter, Fuller uses whenever it's having any of the it's having any of the book publishing. Recently, we have published this also, like 100 React proof work ideas, even this as well. So you can find all of them in Twitter. First thing, they all of them post about it. You can find all of them in Gumroad profile as well, because obviously those all of those things are distributed through Gumroad. Okay, so those are the book covers. Now let's move forward to blog thumbnails. Okay, it's loaded. Okay, okay, let's zoom on it. So those are the celebration posts that Fuller has been using for a long time now. Okay, so you can see all of them in social medias. Whenever we achieve a milestone, we get to give it obviously post it. So then you can see it. But the basic thing is, you can take backgrounds from it, uh, texts from it, elements from it, use it in your own thumbnail, use it in your own celebration post, or just edit it and use it. That is also possible. Do that, use it. Okay. Now, last but not the least, that is a blog thumbnails. Now, you may say that it's a bit repetitive, but what you can observe over here, that all of the symbols are different. Okay, so maybe you can change all of the titles and make it your own. And those are actually curated by like, great designers. So one thing for sure, you're gonna love it. Okay, so that's the thing. And here are some other type of thumbnails as well for the blogs. Now, one thing I can say for sure, rather than getting more and more new contents, like not content, new templates in this file. Okay, like in resources file, like newer templates or newer things, we will keep on updating these ones as well. Okay, so to be really to get up to date, one thing I would suggest, duplicate from only here. Don't download it and share it. In that way, you will not get the future updates. You will only get the future updates, and Figma will automatically notify you if you are duplicating it from Figma's community. Okay, I repeat that. Only duplicate it from Figma's community, otherwise you will not get notified whenever we upload these files, like update these files and add many more designs. Okay, so keep that in mind. And yeah, this is a new free resource from Fuller. Keep on using it, and please tag us if you are using it anywhere. We would love to see that how you are using it, and we will be proud, to be honest. This is not necessary, we know, but if you can tag us, please do it. We would love to see that. So that's basically it from my side for this video today. Please let me know if you have seriously great resources like this anywhere else. Let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future video and use them in my own projects as well. Rather than that, if you like my this video or like my videos in general, please do give it thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, comments down below, share with your friends, tell me whichever version you're liking or not, what you expect me to do next. So that's basically it from my side for today. Bye.